hair is one of the most attractive aspects of a person. A head full of shiny, dark hair can turn heads, while a head with dry, lifeless, damaged hair has lesser appeal. There are definitely simple, but effective ways of inducing life back into the hair. Some of the causes: nutritional deficiencies, excessive exposure to the sun, air-conditioned environments, excessive use of hair dryers, unhealthy hair products, can all affect the hair, making it dry and dull. Hair is so affected can be lifeless, break easily, have split ends, and fall easily. Treatment: lifeless, dull hair need not be a reason to lose sleep. There are simple measures which would be readily available in most homes, have been used since ages, and have proven beneficial beyond doubts. Number 1. Eggs. Rich in proteins, eggs are one of the healthiest products for hair care. They promote the growth of keratin, which is essential for hair growth. Number 2. Lime. Lime has antibacterial properties and is rich in vitamin C. This helps clear scalp infections and promotes hair growth, which is healthier. Number 3. Olive oil. It reduces dandruff, treats split ends, and restores shine and smoothness of the hair, and also improves infections which could be affecting hair health. Number 4. Coconut oil. One of the most commonly used hair oils. It moisturises the hair and reduces dandruff and restores shine in the hair. Number 5. Curry leaves. Adding curry leaves to coconut oil and warming it to apply on the scalp helps immensely in restoring life to hair. A warm towel can be used to wrap the hair when the oil is left in place for about 15 to 30 minutes. Number 6. Henna. Rosemary, or henna as it is commonly called, is another way to condition hair and restore the shine and luster back. It strengthens the hair cuticles and makes it less prone to breakage. Number 7. Aloe vera. The gel from a freshly cut aloe vera plant has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which help restore life back in damaged hair. It also reduces itching. Number 8. Avocado. In addition to preventing hair damage, it also reduces hair loss and improves hair health. Number 9. Hibiscus. This helps repair damaged hair, improves volume, and reduces hair loss too. The leaves and the flower are used as a paste that is left for about an hour and rinsed off. In addition to all these, gentle brushing, not brushing wet hair, proper diet, and good sleep are equally important for shiny, healthy hair.